if you want to be healthy.
You kids stay inside.
Because we've got you covered.
Changing on the inside constantly.
We thank you very sweetly.
For your patience.
And understanding.
But I assure you, it's gonna be fine.
Classes are classes.
So let's play together.
And it's online. So, let's begin.
We've got a big announcement to make. As of the 30th of March 2020, Stepping Stones Education will be moving to online classes and closing the centre down for the next 4 weeks. The team has had a busy time training each other and finalising all the details with tutors and students. To keep it simple, we're extremely happy with the result. We're proud of the steps we've taken to transition, and with that, here's some footage of our online classes for you to enjoy.
Let's vote for a float. All in favour, say aye. Aye.
Aye.
Alright, let's do a flow chart. So this is our discharge tube. This is our negative end, and this is our positive end. Can anyone tell me why they just don't travel this distance between here and here?
I'm not sure.
Moses?
No, I'm not really quite sure for that.
No, just say it. You're probably right.
So did you get what we've done so far to work out the mean?
Yeah, that question, yeah.
First step for working out variance is you work out the expected value, EV, for x squared, okay? And then you stick whatever domain is there. So remember, if we want to work out variance, we have to minus it by the mean squared, okay?
Wait, hold up. When you expanded it, right, what happened to the -1?
They cancel out because minus IB and plus IB. And the minus I and the plus I.
Oh, wait, hold on. I thought they times each other, never mind.
No, I didn't. Sorry. Yes, some of them.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Yep. So rearranging, let's solve for A.
So 2A equals 2, 1.
1. A
And
is
A equals half.
a half.
So we're gonna try and think of how to write an actual response to a question. And you guys remember from the rubric, it talks a lot about this thing here, human experience. So Rowan, you've actually read at least up to halfway of the book, right? Can you give us a quick summary of basically what happens?
Well, after they get their feeds back and everything, they go home, and then everything starts to go back to normal, except for the two main, like Violet and Titus.
We hope you enjoyed that montage. For all our current students, please be sure to be online at your scheduled class time. We would also like to remind everyone that we are still accepting new enrollments, and if you are interested, please visit our website www.ssedu.com.au or call 0449 691 996. Stay healthy, stay safe, keep studying, and see you all online.